Welcome to our guide on how to access your Macy's employee account. If you're a Macy's employee looking to log into Macy's Insite portal, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to log in securely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type Macy Employee Login into the Google search bar. Click on the first result that appears. Click on the Sign In button visible on the left side of the opened website. Yes, you've reached the login panel now. Here, enter your employee ID, network ID, or email address in the first field. In the second field, enter your membership password and click on the login button. If you have any issues with your password, don't worry. Click on the Forgot, Unlock, Change Password button under the login button. Congratulations! You've now mastered the process of logging into your Macy's employee account via Macy's Insite. By following the simple steps outlined in this tutorial, you've gained access to a wealth of resources and benefits tailored specifically for Macy's employees. Remember, your Macy's employee account is your key to staying connected, informed, and empowered in your role. Take advantage of features like checking your schedule, accessing benefits information, and staying up to date with company news. Thank you for watching, and we hope you make the most out of your Macy's employee experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.